Hey guys, so today I have swatches of the new Holo Taco After Party collection. There are 6 polishes here altogether, including a new rainbow reflective glitter topper. I will link the Holo Taco website down below where you guys can check these out because they are available right now. 6 polishes altogether, and I will get into the swatches. And these are the boxes that the Holo Taco polishes come in. I always try to show these if I remember to. The first polish is called Curfew Crasher, and this is described as a muted pink mauve jelly with pale yellow shimmer and scattered holographic. And I'm swatching over some gel extensions today and over the next week or so because I have a nervous picking problem that I'm trying to get a handle on, and these gel extensions are too thick for me to be able to efficiently pick. So good formula on this one, a little bit sheer on the first coat, but not terrible. The shimmer stands out really nicely against that base. This covered completely for me in 2 coats, and I really like the contrast of that gold shimmer and that mauve base. So that is 2 coats of Curfew Crasher. The next polish is called Bottle Service, and this is described as a warm, shiny gold metallic with gold microflakes and gold holographic glitter. Again, great formula. Pretty good coverage here as well, just a little bit sheer on that first coat. This is very sparkly, and because it's made up of the gold metallic flakes, there's no brush strokes through the shimmer at all because it's a bit more broken up. This did cover completely for me in 2 coats, and it has just the slightest bit of texture from that gold holographic glitter. It's not solid glitter, so it's not going to be super textured, but it was a little gritty when it dried. So that is 2 coats of Bottle Service. The next polish is called Crystal Skies, and this is described as a muted gray-blue with holographic silver diamond-shaped glitter and blue iridescent glitter. I called them squares, but I guess it depends on how you look at them. Great coverage on this. The formula is pretty good. I feel like it leans just a little bit thick from that glitter, but not too thick, though I think it will thicken up pretty quickly. I like the addition of the square glitters in this, or diamonds, I guess. I think it looks really cool. I think it gives it just a little extra something. They're not giant and chunky and in your face, but it is a cool touch. This covered completely for me in 2 coats, and it will be textured. There is a lot of glitter in here, and those square glitters are moderately large. So that is 2 coats of Crystal Skies. The next polish is called Starry-Eyed, and this is described as a deep teal jelly glitter polish with holographic silver star-shaped glitter. Good coverage on this one. Good formula. Again, it leans a little bit on the thick side because of the glitter that's in it, but it's nothing crazy. I love that there are star glitters in here. I didn't find them super easy to get out though. I kind of had to dig around in the bottle a bit to get one on my brush for each coat. This is one where I think it's just going to be much easier to go in on your last coat with a toothpick, dig a few stars out of the bottle and place them where you want them on the nail than to try to dig around with the brush. This covered completely for me in 2 coats and lots of glitter, so lots of texture. So that is 2 coats of Starry-Eyed. The next polish is called Midnight Owl, and this is described as a midnight indigo purple jelly polish with silver holographic glitter, silver micro holographic, blue iridescent glitter, and blue purple shimmer. Good formula on this one, good coverage. Again, there's a lot of glitter in here, so it's going to lean to the thick side of normal just because of the amount of glitter. It is the least noticeable on this one, though, of all the glitter polishes. This built really well and covered completely for me in 2 coats. There is a lot of glitter in this, like I said, so it is going to dry textured, and it will be difficult to remove if you don't do something like a peel-off base coat. So that is 2 coats of Midnight Owl. The next polish is called Disco Dust Taco, and this is scattered reflective multicolored glitter in a clear base. So I decided to swatch this over black outside of reflective lighting. It's got a cool little subtle sparkle to it, but wait until you see it with the flash. Good formula on this. It's a bit more of a scattered look because it is meant to be a topper, so the glitter doesn't get really thick and thicken the polish up at all. And this is what it looks like in the flash. You can see all the different colors that are in there. Without the flash, I could pick out the red glitter really well, but everything else just kind of blended together, and with flash, you can see the entire rainbow of colors. So that is 1 coat of Disco Dust Taco. So for comparisons, I do not have the most extensive Holo Taco collection ever, so I only have a couple here to show you. So for bottle service, the only thing that I had that was even remotely close was Xyler the Cat Eye, which is really not that close. This is definitely more copper, where bottle service is more gold. Bottle service has much more holographic sparkle to it. Xyler the Cat Eye is actually a magnetic. I just have it unmagnetized here. Not really comparable, just what I had to show you. Next up, I have Curfew Crasher, and the closest thing I have to that is Bury Me in Holo from the Sophia collection. Again, not super close. Curfew Crasher leans a lot more purple, where Bury Me in Holo leans more on the pink side. Strong holographic flake here. That's not the main focus of Curfew Crasher, and then also obviously the gold shimmer. So nothing super comparable here, just what I had that was even remotely close. So Disco Dust Taco is going to be my favorite. I just loved how this looked with the flash. You could see all those different rainbow colors coming out. I like reflective polishes. I don't know how practical they really are, because like how often are my nails directly under the flash to even tell that there's something special about them, but I really, really like them. I really liked how this looked. I always like a good topper. Obviously, the theme of this whole collection is leaning more into the New Year's Eve side of the holidays, and I feel like this one embodied that the most. So that is the Holo Taco After Party collection. Again, I will link the Holo Taco website down below where you guys can check those out because they are available right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later.